Hi, welcome back. So for today's session, as you are able to see that we will talk about the set operations that are possible in Python. So let us begin. So there is, few very well-known operations, on set. So that are union, intersection, and difference. Along with that, there is two, a type of validation, that is subset and superset. So we will see it one by one. So as you are able to see in the slide, here is union operation. So there is three set A, B, and C. So A set have three element 1, 2, and 3. B have 3 and 4, and C have 5, 6, and 7. So then the union of all these, A, B, and C will be equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is a question that if we are, clubbing all the elements, then why 3 is not twice? So it is a condition of set that all the elements should be only once. Then there should not be any repetition of the element into the set. Because of that, this has been removed. In the Python, set is a mutable data type, or abstract data type. So yeah, just I am in my VS Code, and I has already launched a Jupyter notebook for it. So here I has already set up three sets. So we can create a set with the curly braces and the element inside of it, or we can have a simple set and then any iteratable data type like list or tuple or anything like that. So now just check the union operation. So simply do the union on it. Here any iteratable element can be kept. So actually if we will do it, then we can can have chained operation like A union B union C, and all operation will run simultaneously. So we can simply click on this button and this way. So as you are able to see, it is the output of the operation A union B union C. So it is exactly same as it is into the mathematics. Next is intersection. So just open the slide and check. So as you are able to see that this is intersection, and this is the symbol of union, by the way, and this is the symbol for intersection. And intersection is simply mean, as I can say to you in the day-to-day life, that all the common elements in each of these, means like A intersection B means all the common elements that are in A and B. If there is three set like A, B, and C, then whole set of common element in A, B, and C means it should be in all three. Then that can be said as intersected element. So yeah, this image is a little bit wrong, but it is just a representation, nothing else. Here it is somehow correct, but C is disjoint from it, so don't take it it likewise. So it should be actually likewise this. Here as you are able to see that A intersection B, then here 3 and 4 is common. So we need to redefine this because we have little change in our program. So just copy paste it. So it is a simple PPT file, and just do it likewise. Okay, run it once. So it just override the already defined sets. Either if you want to verify, you can verify, but yeah, I do not need to do so. And now if we run the intersection operation on A intersection B, then we have some common element like 3 and 4 because it is in the both. But as we run it with C, So C is disjoint from A and B, then it will return an empty set, and empty set is also called as phi, or denoted by phi. This is here, it is a Greek character, or simply you can say it letter. So if in any group of sets, a set is a disjoint, then the intersection of all those sets will be an empty set. So we can either operate it one by one by following associativity principle. So in this case, actually it will return an empty set. We can verify it here. Likewise, A dot intersection, and here we can pass B and C, simply intersection once more, and then C. So it is simply our associativity of nothing else. As you are able to see here that it is an empty set. Just create a common element in C also and verify it once again. Try to rerun this to recreate our sets and run it once again. As you are able to see here that 4 is common in all 3 sets. If you have 3 also in set C, then 3 and 4 will be common in both of these. So as you are able to see that it is exactly same as it is in the map. So what about subset and superset? So in the Python, you can validate whether one more thing with this actually. So as it was into the previous section, so we can simply verify whether another code prompt. So we can verify whether A is disjoint or A dot intersection B is disjoint with C. So we can verify if there is no any common element. By default it will return a boolean value. So simply rerun this section of code and rerun this, and now this one. So it is true. It means the result will always be empty set because C is a disjoint. So it can simply verify whether the set is disjoint or not. Now let us check about the just a minute. So as we have seen this operation of intersection, now further there is another validation like thing that is called as testing subset and superset. So A is subset of B if all the elements of A are also elements of B. B is then actually into the reverse order. B is then called as superset of A. So as you are able to see here, A have element 1, 2, 3 and B have element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So B is superset of A and denoted by this. So now launch our editor or Jupyter Notebook to test this subset and superset operation. So let us define all the set once again, like 1, 2 and 3. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and that's all. Just run it once and create another section. So as I have already told, the B can only verify whether it is subset or superset of it or not. So is subset, so is A is subset of B, we can verify yes it is. Now create another section Here we will check that is it B is subset of A. Just check it. It should be false, and that's right. It is false. It is not subset of A. Now what is remain? Superset. So just test A is okay. A is superset of B. It is also false. And one more operation is remain. Remove it. I will just yeah, that's all. So B is superset of A, and it's true. So it is likewise. Now there is another operation that is called as a difference of set. So I hasn't write anything here because I can tell, or you can simply understand better of it using like image. So here is set A and B, and here is the difference of all these. So A minus B, actually it is denoted by A minus B, the difference. So A minus B is equal to the common element will be removed from A, which is also available in B. So as you are able to see that the section that intersect inside of A will be removed. So as here you are able to see, so all this part will be removed. All this part in the sense 4 and 5 will be removed from A. We don't have any meaning of 6 and 7 in our case if that is not existing A. So you switch to the editor and define a variable, set. Likewise 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. B is equal to 4, 5, 6 and 7, and run it. You can run by pressing Ctrl and Enter. Now A minus B. It is difference. I hope that it might have difference operation also, or we can simply have A minus B. A difference B is also exactly the same. So as you are able to see that we have only 1, 2 and 3. If we do B minus A or B difference A, then we will get the uncommon element in B. So we can verify difference or simply A. And just run it. You are able to see here that 6 and 7 is not present in A, and that has been printed. So these are some operations. There is additional add, delete. There is, I hope, push and pop related operation like this: add, clear, then check the difference and update the set with the new elements. There is a remove, then the difference as we have seen. Discard means just destroy everything. Copy is there, intersection is there, pop is there. So all these are the operations that are present into the set operation that are defined in the Python. I hope that this video is helpful for you, and if it is so, then please like the video, share it with your friends who are into the same field, and just subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching it. Have a nice time. Happy coding.